Right on the acquisition of Boeing aircraft by Malaysian Aviation Group, Tengku Zafrul said the move is part of a long-term phased plan to renew and expand the fleet's capacity. The decision was driven by the need to replace the Boeing 737-800 planes, which have been in service for an average of 14 years, to maintain operational safety and sustainability.
Pada tahun 2016, MAG telah membuat tempahan awal bagi 25 buah pesawat Boeing 737-8 MAX. Sejak November 2023, sebanyak 13 pesawat telah diterima dan selebihnya akan dihantar secara berperingkat sehingga 2027. Pada 20 Mac 2025 ini sebelum tarif dikenakan pun, MAG mengutamatkan tempahan tambahan sebanyak 30 buah pesawat Boeing 737 MAX dengan tempoh penghantaraan dijangka bermula 2025 hingga 2035.
There are 30 more aircraft currently in the planning phase, with decisions to be made based on MAG's future growth strategies and plans. The value of the acquisition covers not just the aircraft cost, but also expenses for engines, training, maintenance, and long-term support. Meanwhile, on halal standards, Tengku Zafrul said the Malaysian government only allows the import of meat, meat products, poultry and poultry products that are certified halal by US halal certification bodies that meet the standards set by the Department of Islamic Development Malaysia.
Fasilitasi yang ditawarkan di sini hanya berkaitan pemantauan dan verifikasi yang akan dilaksanakan oleh Badan Persijilan Halal Amerika Syarikat yang diiktiraf oleh JAKIM.
During the negotiations, both sides agreed to facilitate the certification and registration process for the export of dairy, meat and poultry products from the US to Malaysia, in accordance with Malaysia's existing domestic regulations. Tengku Zafrul said claims that Malaysia would automatically recognize US halal certificates were baseless, misleading and malicious, and did not reflect the actual outcomes of the negotiations. On another note, Malaysia does not sacrifice national interest to obtain special treatment. Instead, bilateral negotiations with the US recently maintained the country's unique policies. Tengku Zafrul said these policies include protections for strategic industries and Bumiputra provisions.
Pencapaian ini membuktikan bahawa negara-negara membangun seperti Malaysia boleh mendapat akses dagangan antarabangsa tanpa perlu tunduk pada tekanan liberalisasi mutlak. Model ini memberi contoh kepada negara serantau bahawa red lines boleh dipertahankan jika negara jelas dengan nilai, strategi dan komitmen yang ditawarkan.